Welcome to Bach Resistor Ceramics, a company based near Berlin in Germany. We specialize in producing high-performance ceramic heating elements, serving global industries such as semiconductors, automotive, and machine building, while also working with research institutes to continuously advance the technology. Our 100% ceramic heating elements, made from silicon nitride, have a lot of advantages compared to conventional metal-based heating elements, such as having a low heat capacity and can therefore reach temperatures up to 1000 degrees Celsius in about 20 seconds, while consuming comparatively very little energy. In 2023, we completed a significant step in expanding our production facilities. Alongside a new building, we also redesigned and improved our energy and heat distribution systems to provide the necessary capacities for our growing production. We are excited to present our latest energy project to inspire others in the industry to adopt innovative and sustainable energy solutions for a better future. For the production of our ceramic heating elements, our facility houses 5 sintering furnaces, which operate at extremely high temperatures of up to 2000 degrees Celsius. Cooling these powerful systems demands a lot of coolant. Previously, our groundwater supply was only sufficient to cool 2 furnaces at once, and not reusing the generated heat created room for improvement. That's why we chose to reevaluate our cooling and heat distribution solution and integrate it directly into the new building. Now we efficiently reuse generated heat and consume the same amount of coolant while operating 3 more furnaces. At the core of our project is the advanced cooling container, featuring heat exchangers that regulate all of the various cooling circuits. The system manages the distribution of coolant, adjusted according to demand. The primary method of heat dissipation is air cooling supplemented with cold well water. If that is not sufficient, compression cooling automatically takes over. Additionally, 2 heat pumps are used to provide efficient heat exchange by further lowering the temperature of the coolant and storing the excess heat in storage tanks. The heat storage tanks are filled with a specially formulated salt solution that increases its heat storage capacity compared to pure water. This stored energy is then utilized to heat various parts of our facility, including production areas, offices, and our gym. These systems still use a lot of electrical energy, which is conveniently supplied by our photovoltaic systems that can provide up to 100 megawatt-hours annually. While this doesn't cover all of our energy needs, it can still be expanded with more panels and battery storage if necessary. This renewable energy source powers our operations and significantly reduces our carbon footprint. The photovoltaic system not only supports our energy needs, but also represents a major step towards reducing our reliance on non-renewable energy sources. This integration of solar power underlines our dedication to environmental responsibility. Our new building showcases how effective heat management can transform energy use. By repurposing waste heat, we maintain comfortable temperatures and enhance the overall efficiency of our operations. By combining advanced cooling, heat storage, and solar power, we have created a synergistic energy system. This integrated approach allows us to optimize resource use, demonstrating how industrial processes can be both efficient and environmentally friendly. We invite other companies to explore similar sustainable practices. Through innovation and commitment, we can collectively make a significant impact on our environment. Thank you for joining us in exploring our energy project at Bach Resistor Ceramics.